Alright guys, y'all want another cursive video, so here it is. So hopefully this will be easier than it was yesterday, but we're going to start with capital letters. And we're starting on page 44, probably do 45 and 46. So to start off, you have the capital A. It looks just like the lowercase a, except it takes the whole box. You start at the top, come back up, then get a little tail. Top, come back up, and give it a little tail. So just keep doing that. Just trace all of those, even the one that's given to you, and then write one underneath it. Okay? Real simple. Even though I just messed up there, so just be careful. It's easy to mess up. Okay, once you do all those, you'll start in the letter O. So you'll do that. You'll circle it, just like write a little O. You come back around, get a little tail, just like the normal O, except it takes up the whole box. Start at the top, come around, loop, and a little tail. Top, come around, loop, a little tail. Just keep doing that. Nice and slow. Better do it slow and get it right than fast and get it wrong. So do all that, then do one underneath each one. Come around, a little tail, just like that. Alright, so keeping with capital letters, we start with the next one. Alice lives in Alaska. So you would trace that whole thing first. Please trace it first. Remember, we talked about muscle memory. A, L, I, C, E. Then you put your dot. Lives, V, E, lives in, oh, forget that I, Alaska. A, L, A, S, K, A, Alaska, and the period. Okay, so it's not that bad. But when you trace it, you write it down here. I'll just do the first word as an example. A, L, I, C, E. Alice. And then the next one is Ollie lives in Oregon. So same thing. You have the O, trace it, come to the top, back. This one you have to pick up your pencil because it stops at the bottom. Most capital letters do that, and I hate it. But this is one of the few times cursive does not just continue. L-L-I-E, Ollie lives in... Oh, I messed that up. No, it's okay to mess up. Trust me, I mess up all the time. Y'all know that. Ollie lives in... Oh, this pen's messing up too. Oregon. O-R-E-G-O-N. Period. So trace all those. And then copy it down, and then we'll go to the next page. Pause this, rewatch as many times as you need to. There's no reason to rush and get scared. Of course, this is one of the easier ones. The next page, page 45. This is the letter C. It's just a big old C, just like you normally write it. Just be careful. Don't start all the way at the top line. Start a little below it, curve, and curve back up to the middle. Curve back up to the middle. It hits the top line and the bottom line and curves up. Just like that. Pretty easy to trace. And you come up. Do a couple of those. And next, this letter, it looks kind of like a backwards 3, but it's actually the letter E. So I want you to trace that. Comes down, loops around. E. Comes down, loops around. It loops on the middle line. So don't be scared if you mess up. You can erase it. So pencils have erasers. It loops on the middle line. Okay? Nice and slow. You might be able to do it fast, but don't rush too much, okay? Then you do a couple of your own. Curve around the middle line, come down. Curve around the middle line, and come back up. Just like that. Just make sure you come up all the way, unlike I did on the first one. Curve around the middle line, come back up. Alright, it's like a backwards 3. Pretty simple. Then you're going to trace the words on the bottom. It's Cecilia, or Sicily, sorry, wants to visit China. So this is stuck with all the C's. C, E, C, I, Cicely wants to. Oh, I messed that up. I picked up my pen. I'm so bad. To visit China. Big C. C. And China is a country. That's why it's capitalized. China. Alright. That's it for these 2 pages. I'm going to take a little break because my phone is ringing.